Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I wanted to bring you some of the new green and eco beauty products from Target. Target has really started to carry a lot of new green and eco brands and also expanded the products that they have from green and eco brands like Pacifica that they were already carrying. So I wanted to bring you some products that I'd found at my Target and also on Target's website. And hopefully you'll find this helpful because I think it's so cool that Target is carrying more green and eco options, because Target is really quite an accessible place to get green and eco beauty. The prices are normally more affordable, and also with a lot of these products I actually found them physically in my store, which is crazy because my Targets aren't really the biggest Targets. They're not super Targets. They're just kind of a run-of-the-mill Target. They don't always carry a lot, and so when I see products physically in store, I get really excited because I imagine that most of you will also be able to find them in store too. Also, I don't have any of the new Pacifica makeup. I know that Pacifica is coming out with some new makeup soon, but that hasn't launched yet, at least when I'm filming this video. But as soon as that launches, I do intend to pick some of that up and try it out for you guys, because you seem to really like it when I test out new Pacifica makeup. But right now, these are products I can find at my Target store currently. I want to start by talking about Sailor by Captain Blankenship. And I was so excited when I saw this. I didn't exactly realize what it was because I saw it on Instagram and I just saw Sailor and I saw it was being carried at Target, and I was like, well, that kind of looks like a ripoff of the Captain Blankenship line, and I couldn't read on the Instagram that it's actually by Captain Blankenship because it was really tiny. But when I was in Target, I actually went to look for some Pacifica face wipes, and I was going down like the little green eco section of my beauty section at Target, and I saw these and I was like, whoa, and my husband was like, oh no, we've lost Kat. And I was like, oh my gosh, and I was like running around and like, look at this, look at this, look at this, and he was like, oh, we're never gonna get out of Target, are we? What I ended up picking up was the sea salt hairspray, and I had originally wanted the Captain Blankenship sea salt hairspray. In fact, I had it listed as one of my wishlist products in my Credo wishlist video, but I actually ended up editing it out because between the time when I filmed that video and then uploaded it, I'd actually purchased this product. But I do have to say I have really liked it. I am using the sea salt hairspray in my hair today. This is actually second day hair, so I think it looks pretty good for second day hair. And I really do think that this product has helped me kind of extend the life of my hair. What I like to do with it is I like to braid my hair at night. My hair is kind of weird. It's not super straight, but it's also not super wavy. It just kind of gets like some weird waves in it. So if I want my hair to look wavy, what I do is I braid it at night when it's still kind of damp because I shower at night, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'll unbraid it. But what I like to do is I like to spray this in my hair before I braid it, and then once I actually get to French braids in my hair, I actually spray a little bit more because I have super thick hair. I have to kind of spray twice to make sure I get enough product in. But I really think it helps to hold my hair in place. It helps me to maintain this wave throughout the day. And also, I mean, for second day hair, like, I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. I have to say though, I did try spraying this in my hair when it was pretty wet, and that didn't work, and I ended up actually just accumulating too much product in my hair, and that kind of weighed down my hair. So it does say on the back of the bottle to spray in dry hair. I would say like slightly damp to dry, but not wet hair. But I do like it, and I think the price is great. It has a very strong lemongrass scent, which if you like lemongrass, it's lovely. I really like it. My husband really likes it. And I like the sea salt hairspray so much that I went and purchased the Sea Splash face cleanser as well. And this is interesting. I'm trying to shake the bottle here so you can see it, but it's kind of a cross between a gel and a liquid face cleanser, and this smells so good because it has grapefruit and sea kelp in it. And I have been using it for a while now, about a week or so, and I do like it. The scent is lovely. My face seems to like it. Like, my face is not breaking out. I don't see any like major changes going on with my face, so I think my face is liking it. It takes a while to get a good feel for skincare and how my skin is actually reacting to it, but so far so good. I do have to say it's a smidge drying. It's also been pretty weird weather here recently. It snowed a couple days ago, and then it's gonna hit in the 50s, and it's all over the place. I never know sometimes if it's like my face wash or just my face breaking out, so I think it might be a little bit drying, but it also could just be New England weather. But so far I really like it, and once again it's so nice that this product is available physically in Targets. Like, I was able to purchase both of these in my Target. But I actually really want to try out their toner and their resurfacing mask. Those are on my kind of wish list. Also, before I go on to the next thing, I am just in love with this packaging. Like, this is just so New England, so Cape Cod. I love it. I'm turning into a New Englander in heart, and I really do love the packaging because it really is just so New England. I purchased this online, but I didn't hunt around in my store for it. So actually comment down below if you have seen this brand in your Target. Let's see who can find it in their Target. And next time I go to Target, I will look for it and let you know if I see it in there. But this is the Meow Meow Tweet Lavender Bergamot Deodorant. I decided to try this out, first of all, because it is a deodorant that you can actually pick up at a Target, or at least online at Target. It's a more affordable price as well. But I was using Native deodorant and I really liked it. It worked really well for me, but then Native deodorant was sold to Procter & Gamble. And I don't know exactly how I feel about that. I've been trying to process it and think about it, and I don't know how I feel. I haven't tried out the Meow Meow Tweet deodorant yet because I do have a fair number of Native deodorant tubes I'm using at the minute. But once I finish this up, I am going to be testing out other brands of natural deodorant. And it might be the case that I try out other brands and then end up back at Native because Native works for me. I figured since they were sold to Procter & Gamble, I would take the opportunity to test out other deodorants. So I haven't tried this out, but I am really excited to do so. And once again, let us know in the comment section down below if you have found Meow Meow Tweet at your Target. I also have not tested this out yet, but I'm so excited to. And this is the Pacifica Mineral SPF Bronzing Body Butter Coconut Sunscreen, and it's SPF 50. And the idea behind it is it is supposed to kind of bronze your skin when you apply it, which I know they have one of the spray ones that does that, but that just seemed really a bit too much of a hassle to deal with it spraying and bronzing. I like the regular spray that's untinted, which is what convinced me to try this because I love the Pacifica spray sunscreen. Like, I absolutely love it. My husband loves it. Like, we are just sold on that sunscreen. But I wanted to try this because I'm super fair. And especially in the summer, if I want to wear like a cute dress or shorts, my legs are ridiculously fair. Like, however fair my face is, my legs are even fairer. And so they look kind of funny because they look almost white, like almost like a sheet of paper coming out of like my dress or my shorts. And as my mom puts it, I don't know if it's a Southern saying, but my mom always calls them chicken legs. Like, when it's really fair, when your legs are really fair, she calls them chicken legs. I don't know, let me know if you've heard that saying or if it's just my mom. But I'm hoping that this will give a little bit of color back to my legs, but also protect my legs from the sun, because I thought about self-tanning or trying to mix in like a bronzing lotion, because I know Coco Lavish has one. I know that Root has like a bronzing lotion. I wear sunscreen every day, but during the summer I'm going to be putting sunscreen on my legs, and I didn't want to necessarily mix a bronzing lotion with the sunscreen because I didn't know how all that would work. So I thought trying a product that had sunscreen and like a bit of a bronzer in it could be really nice. Obviously I've not tested this out yet because it is the dead of winter, and like basically my head is the only thing that is exposed right now. And even then, I have like a scarf that I pull up and I wear like a hat or earmuffs, and so there's not actually much of me sticking out right now to be exposed to the sun. But as soon as the weather gets warmer, I will be trying this out and I will let you know how it works because I'm super excited about that. So this also is kind of a side note. I actually got this from Petit Board, but they are now carried at Target. And this is the Plant Apothecary. What I have here is their Get Happy body wash. A whole bunch of the Plant Apothecary line is now carried at Target, which is super cool. They have a lot of nice body care products, and I haven't seen it in my Target store, but I know it is online at target.com because when I was browsing around looking at the new green and eco brands being carried there, I saw Plant Apothecary. Also, I didn't realize this until I saw it on Instagram, but Plant Apothecary products are made with the help of adults with physical and mental disabilities, which after learning that, I was like, that is a really awesome brand. I really support what they are doing, and I actually really want to try out more products from them, because when a brand takes the opportunity to give back to the community, it really makes me feel more inclined to purchase from the brand. So I definitely want to try out more things from Plant Apothecary, and I'm really glad that they're being carried at Target where everyone can actually access them. The last thing I have picked up that's new to Target. Give me a second to tell you about it and then we will pass judgment. I wanted to try this out for you guys because I found it slightly suspicious, and I think it is, so let me know what you think about this too. But this is the Good Chemistry perfume, and I have one of their roller balls, and I believe this was like $12. And they do carry Good Chemistry in my Target, but they didn't have any testers out, so I just had to buy blindly and hope for the best. I decided to try this out because what it says here, and hopefully you can actually read it down here, but what it says is rollerball perfume with essential oils. And I held on to the box because what the ingredients said are alcohol, denatured alcohol, and fragrance, and water. And then next to fragrance, an asterisk that says fragranced with essential oils of cedar and sandalwood. So I was like, okay, so seems like they're using essential oil fragrance. So I purchased it and I've been trying it out. I'm pretty sure, just based off of my nose, that the scent in it is too strong to just be essential oils. I don't have proof of that. I guess the only way we will know that is if we take it to a chemistry lab and actually have it analyzed, which even though I am a chemist, that's actually more complicated than you think, and you have to find a very particular type of testing lab to be able to do that. So I'm not going to do that. But just based off my nose, I'm pretty sure that it is using synthetic fragrance, which made me so sad because I was like, wow, it would be so great to have a perfume available at Target, scented with essential oils. Like, that is just fantastic. But I don't think that this is actually scented with just essential oils. If you smelled them in your Target or you bought one or whatever, let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. I was really excited and really heartbroken that it seems to be using artificial fragrance, especially because of the name Good Chemistry. I was like, I could get behind that. Like, that is a name I could really get behind. So let me know what of these products you're interested in. Are you gonna purchase any of these? Have you found any of these in your Target store? Let me know all of that in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!